Hey guys, what's up? So I'm so excited because today I'm going to unbox for my Vision Pro the all-new Apple Vision Pro dual knit band. And well, let's get ahead with the unboxing. So this is the new box that I have. I bought this at the Apple Store, and let's just go unbox it. So we're right here. All right, and is there any other tape here? No. Okay. Well, let's go. Let's go here. Perfect, perfect. Oh, it's a pretty thick box. All right. All right. Oh, we got this documentation start. Okay. All right. How to put it? It's easy. So they say that this is gonna be a lot more comfortable than what we have here, right here. But I'm very excited about that. The thing is, the original solo knit band was not that bad. I mean, I don't even think the Vision Pro is that heavy as people make it out to be. But I'm really excited about this because, of course, this is gonna be a lot more comfortable in the head. And yeah, let's show it. Perfect. All right, so right here I have my Vision Pro, the M2, and let's change the strap. Hey guys, so we finally did it, and yeah, let's try it on. All right. By the way, I didn't charge this yet, so I'm gonna be seeing darkness. I just want to see the comfort of this. Oh wow! Oh, turned on. Never mind. My Vision Pro just turned on. Okay. I'm just 1-4 is. Yeah, I just had to put my passcode because it recognized me. All right. Anyway, yes. Okay. Anyway, so this is it. Now I'm gonna tell you right now. Wow, this is a game changer, and I'll tell you why. Like I said, it's actually heavier than than this, but man, it is so much more comfortable. I can definitely wear this a lot longer. Even though I don't have the M5 Vision Pro, I just don't need the M5 Vision Pro, especially the fact that its biggest feature is the headband. And so, yeah, I mean, this is amazing. Like, look, right? Right. We still have the battery, right? But just put it in your pocket. It's great. I love this so much, and I think if you have an Apple Vision Pro, I think if you have the M2, this is definitely a huge upgrade. Anyway, see you next time, guys, and please subscribe and like. Peace.